National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vance County, Warren County, Central Granville County, Northwestern Durham County, Northwestern Franklin County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Boynton to 6 miles north of Henderson to 7 miles southwest of Oxford, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Oxford, Creedmoor, Lewisburg, Warrenton, Butner, Franklinton, Norlina, Littleton, and Kittrell. This includes Interstate 85 between mile markers 189 and 233. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Franklin, Granville, Vance, and Warren. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alamance County, southeastern Randolph County, southwestern Wake County, Chatham County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sailor City, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cary, Asheboro, Pittsboro, Siler City, North Carolina Zoo, Fuquay Varina, Goldston, Apex, Holly Springs, and Liberty. This includes the following highways: United States 1 between mile markers 80 and 99. Interstate 73 between mile markers 68 and 75. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Randolph, and Wake.